Hello guys. So this booklet, sketchbook, is full of birds, but I didn't use dry media. I use gouache because I try to learn to paint with gouache, and I try to learn to paint birds. So in one moment I paint landscape because I was enough with the birds. But now let's go to see everything. So first is gray heron. So I was trying to put the names, but this didn't last very long. So this is cormorant. This bird is in my country very much in one place, which is national park. So I paint this, then I stop with the names and I just paint birds in different colors, in different this one is from one documentary when I see how this hawk, or what is this bird, shooting out in the air, and I was really trying to paint this, and I want to make tutorial, but the first part is won't record. It didn't record, so I just give up with this. Then this crows, I think they're cute, but this is all, I don't know, this paper is not for wet medium. So then is this cutie from all these birds, and is 50 of them because it is 50 pages. I think I like 35, so not bad, or maybe 36. Then I make this like tutorial also. It will come on channel soon. Then is this one, it's cute. Then is this duck, or geese, I think it's duck. Then this, I don't know what is this. It's supposed to be an owl, but everything is go wrong. Then I make this, and this is like a singing bird. So then I make this from imagination, like some owl, but very strange. Then this one, I'm satisfied with this one. Then this portrait of the owl. Here I was thinking why I didn't record when I paint this, but it is making it so long that this video would be 3 hours. Then is this one. We have this tutorial on my channel. This on this cutie. Then this crazy sparrows. This is supposed to be a sparrows, but I don't know, something went wrong. Then is this one, like some imaginary bird. Also this one. Then I want to make backgrounds also beautiful, so I make this and this, usually from one of my friends on Divine Chart. Then this peasant. Then this white dove. Oh, yes. Then this peacock. So I know some name of the birds. Then this wild duck. Then we have this tutorial on my channel. Then these swans. I think this painting look very nice. Then is these two cute birdies. Then is this one. Then is this one. I think this one, this bird doesn't exist. I just found like pictures, so I want to paint. Then this landscape and birds. Then this one. This crow, I think, is nice. Then this, I love this position of the wings, but I think I didn't paint right. It is landing on the ground, but I don't know if I make this right. And I like this one, this position of the wings and this bird. And first time I didn't make all nice. It's everything's crazy. Then this little beauty. Then I make some bird house and birdies. Then this duck on the water. Then this guy, I found it on many of my friends. I think is it Sereno art or it's Zoe art? I don't know. One of these two is made this little guy, so I want to paint it. Then is this all pinky. Then is this one. This little hawk. Then this little strange guy, I don't know what is this. Then these dolls. And this, I like this position of their wings, but I didn't make this wing like it should be. Then this little one, always coming in the spring. We call them a bringer of spring. So then this duck and this strange guy, but I like these wings and how he's coming down on the grass. So that is all. I think I managed to learn something with the gouache and with the birds, and I'm pretty satisfied. Thank you so much. I think from all of these 50 birds, I think I like 36 I was counting. So not bad, more than half. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.